My name is Leslie. I live in Westminster, Orange County, California. I live with my husband, my 2-year-old daughter, my mother and my father, and my sister as well. I'm currently working 2 jobs. I work with hospitality and also a veterinary clinic. I get my health insurance coverage through my work and my husband's work. Once I heard about Title Care, I was very interested to get it. I was just kind of looking for something that might help make things a little bit easier. The first time I used Title Care was right after I gave birth. I got a really bad ear infection. So I was looking into urgent care. So it was very user-friendly to use on my own. I was able to look inside my ear and they were able to prescribe ear drops. The other time I also used Title Care was with my daughter. Being a first-time parent, you don't really know what's going on with your child. My daughter was waking up and she was crying. She seemed like she was in pain. She was vomiting. It was to the point where we were ready to go to the urgent care. That's when we decided to use the Title Care at home with a 24/7 provider. They were able to determine she didn't have a fever, and with all the symptoms that I was letting them know, they told me it was probably because her teeth were coming in. We should just give her some Tylenol. And that gave us a sense of relief that we don't have to worry about her, that we can do this at home. I would 100% recommend getting the Title Care devices at home. It gives you that peace of mind that you don't have to rush into the ER, and you can use it even for yourself if in case something happens.